Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Hyundai Elantra Sport in Symphony Air Silver. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, shark fin antenna, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 40,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6197.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.